Good afternoon. It is early February and I am just getting around to cleaning out this pot. This pot has had a dead mint Julep Topiary in it for several months, and it died earlier this year, potentially because it got too hot. I just cleared out this pot, and the potato vine, there wasn't much to it. It did not have anywhere near the root structure and the tubers that the one in the flower box had that I just did a couple months ago. I also noticed that the mint Julep Topiary didn't develop much in the way of roots. It pretty much came out like this, not a lot of roots in the base. And I saw a little bit of what appears to be the potato vine running into the root structure of the mint Julep Topiary. So I wonder if the potato vine sucked all the water away from the topiary, and that's why I lost it. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.